cheerful good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss one new topic for your chapter 2 programming basics. Till now we covered two topics. First is your algorithm and the second one is flowchart. An algorithm is basically a step-by-step procedure to solve any problem. When we start programming, before that we need to write it down one plan before the programming or before the coding. So we use algorithm for that purpose so that we get basic idea of your program. And second flow chart is basically a graphical representation of your algorithm, or we can say that it is a pictorial representation of your algorithm. And now we are going to discuss about what is a program and computer languages. So first of all, let's start with program. Normally an algorithm is first represented as a flowchart, and the flowchart is then expressed in programming language to prepare a computer program. As I already told you that first we prepare algorithm, then we convert that algorithm into the flowchart, and then afterwards we start doing programming, and in particular language, or we can see that we start writing your program. Now what is computer program? A computer program is basically a set of instruction which we group together in particular sequence to perform particular task. For writing a program, we have to learn different types of the languages which we called, or which are known as computer languages. Computer language, a computer understands the instruction given to it in its language, that is machine language. We give the instruction in some particular language, that is almost in English only, but inside the computer it is designed in such a form that you write the program in English, then it converted into the language which computer understands, and it understands only one language which is called machine language, and this language uses only two digits, that is 0 and 1. We are also call them binary digits, and the coding that we have done, it is also converted into the form of 0 and 1. So for the programmer, the person who write the program is known as programmer. The programmer who write the program, it is very difficult for him or her to write it down directly in the form of 0 and 1. So that is why they start developing the languages in which they can do programming easily. So to develop various types of the language, a computer language, also known as a programming language, is a special language understood by computer. It consists of set of words, symbol, codes that is used to write computer program. As I already told you that computer program is a set of instruction given to the computer to do a particular task, and the process of writing a program is called programming. The people who can write a program are called programmer. So there we have different types of the languages by using which you can do programming, or you can write down the programming and coding, and you can write down the program. So the next is categories of computer language. Computer languages are basically classified into two major categories: low level languages and high level language. Under the category of low level language, it is divided into two parts. First is your machine language, and the second is assembly language. And the high level language, it is divided into three: procedural language, non-procedural language, and natural language. So for now, just keep in the mind what is program, what do you mean by programming, who is a programmer, what is a computer language, and categories of computer language, and further they are divided into different parts that you just need to learn. So this is all about your computer language.